Hello everybody, my name is Mai Ngọc Hân. My English name is Anna. I am in class 5B at Holok Primary School. My hobby is reading books. I always read books in my free time. I can know more about the country and people in the other country through the books. I love reading moral stories. After reading a story, I can find some lesson. Today, I will tell you about favorite story. It is called Hungry Birds.
The baby bird was in his nest. He was in his nest with his sister. The nest was high up in the tree. They were waiting for mama bird. Once a while brought the food. They were hungry. They wondered, when would mom come home? Would she bring a worm? Would she bring a fish? Would she bring a piece of bread? They looked at the spider. The spider looked at them. The spider put a nut in the net. Would they eat a nut? They didn't have something. They had back, but no teeth. They had mouth. They never fly. They never shut on the wings. It's the lesson. It's called pizza. It's pizza with cheese. Baby birds love pizza with cheese. The baby birds love pizza with cheese. They were so happy. How the lessons. Mama is wonderful. They sound. Goodbye.